All right, so we're going to get underway with the inspection.
Okay.
All right, and the first part of the inspection is to measure the side guard and make sure everything is correct. So the first one is the lateral protection device does not increase the width of the vehicle. As we can see, it does not stick out from the vehicle. So that is definitely a pass. The next measurement is the lateral protection device is not more than 5 inches inboard of the maximum width of the vehicle. It's not more than 5 inches in. As you can see, it's really only an inch in. So that's well within the parameters. So that passes. The lowest edge of the lateral protection device is not more than 21.5 above the ground. And that would be this edge right here is not more than 21 inches. As we can see from the measuring stick, it's well within the legal limits. So that would pass there. Edge of the lateral protection device is not more than 14 inches below the structure of the vehicle. So from here to here, can't be more than 14 inches. We're going to check the lateral protection device is not more than 12 inches from the outer part of the front rear tire. That would be here, the outer part of the front and rear tire. That's well within the parameters. Now, no part of the side underguard can be deflected by more than 6 inches. So now we're going to check the convex mirrors. Objects can be seen 3 feet above the ground. We have the 3-foot cones. And what we're going to do is have the driver in there. He's going to look through his convex mirrors, and I'm going to walk these cones up the side to make sure he has visibility all the way up into his window. So I'm going to walk this up. Can you see this cone?
Yes, I can.
All right. Is it still visible?
Yes.
Visible all the way up along? Okay. So right here, you can look out the mirror and see the cone. This here's the safety decal that we require to have on both sides and on the rear of the truck. It's bright yellow, clearly going to be seen by the bike or pedestrian. All right, so when the vehicle passes, this is our inspection decal that we will be placing on the windshield. After it passes, we'll put that on there, and then that way we can visually know that this vehicle passed the rear guard inspection, and they're good to go.